we're about to head out to a local beer fest in our town and hang out there for a few hours. We got some live bands, and after that, tonight, there is a night show, car show. And they're going to have, you know, lights and displays and all kinds of stuff. So we're going to be checking that out after the brew fest. So going to the brew fest, and then right after that, going to like a nighttime car show. We're going to take the trip in the old Mustang. It's definitely needs a little bit of work, but it'll get us to where we're trying to go. For those of you that might know, I put the new gear ratio in here, and it's kind of making a little a whine on the deceleration here when I let off the gas. And then whenever I push on the brake, the whine goes away. I don't know if anybody out there can help me figure out what's going on there. I think maybe my backlash might be a little bit too... I think my backlash is probably a little bit too big. And I think when it's resting on the coasting side of the gears, it's causing that grinding noise. So if any of y'all know exactly what I need to do, checked all of my teeth matching and stuff like that, and that was all good. But for some reason, whenever I'm on deceleration, it does start to whine until I push on the brake and kind of slow it down a little bit. We just finished up at the Brew Fest. That was a good time. Got to see a lot of good people, a lot of good bands locally. We're on our way to that car show, so we're about to head out that way. Go check out the local car show and see what's going on. All right, let's keep going. For this video. We just left the car with me, heading back home. The sun's just now getting ready to set. Had a great time tonight. Hope you guys appreciate the video, and thanks for watching to the end. Like, subscribe, thank you.